Brand new to the UK and designed specifically for the hotel industry, the Magicote Keycard Sanitizer uses ultraviolet disinfection to kill 99.9% of bacteria, fungi, and viruses on the surfaces of the items you place in the cradle. The machine can sanitize up to 30 hotel keycards at once. It's also perfect for disinfecting TV remote controls, with a full load taking just 60 seconds. No water, heat, or chemicals are used, just UV light. A fast, cost-effective process at just 1 penny per cleanse. Hotels operating a sanitized keycard policy can ensure every guest receives a freshly disinfected key, while also protecting reception staff who handle hundreds of cards daily. Laboratory tested and approved. The Magicote Keycard Sanitizer for total keycard disinfection.